Here, take this. I'm gonna have a gaff in my hand the whole time. Hey guys, Anthony here with Florida Fishing. If you want to see more big fish like this get caught, make sure you subscribe to my videos.
Don't let him go around them pylons, dude.
Whatever it is, man, that's got some very fun. There he goes. Oh, I am pulling him, dude. He's pulling back. I am pulling him, dude. He's pulling back. Little fish. I don't know if he's sharp, but he's fighting with one.
Get him in here, Krug. Hurricane Zeta decided to come out here and do some fishing. Krug is on something here. Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! What do you got on there, dude? That's got to be a ray or something.
But he's not running like a ray. He's like, I mean, right there it kind of feels like he's dug in, but it's not on the line.
Is he swimming?
No,
It's got to be a ray, dude. But it's a big one if it is. I don't know, man. That thing was running earlier pretty crazy. I mean, I don't know if a ray could like take out as much as that.
I don't know. We don't have that ball thing, do we? The butt end.
I might, but
You want my boat? You want to go?
if you want me, you want to take her.
All right, Dakota is taking over. This is a big, big fish. This thing took bait and it didn't stop moving for a while. Fishing off the bow of the Mira Marie. Catch fish even in the bay.
Alright guys, so I'm thinking when I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to give something away. Maybe, we'll see. So pause this video and subscribe now to maybe be a part of that.
Dude, is that big or what? Look at Dakota. Dakota's like, come here. Just be careful on that drag. I might have cinched it too tight. It's only 60. We can take the pole down there and try to get around it.
Yo,
but
Anthony. Take this and splash the water like on the side of the boat. They're being scared away from the pylon.
still not sure what it is, but we think it's a big hook anything that was big. And from the feel of it, it felt pretty good size. Hopefully we'll take a look at it.
What do you guys think this is? I'm interested to know what you think. Leave a comment and subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. It's not hard. It's free to subscribe. Just subscribe. It'll help me out a lot.
Does he feel like he's digging in on you?
No, he's so
Seriously, this is a big boy. He's
pulling on
he's pulling. Everything I gave him, he pulled back.
What you got there?
Get him, Dakota.
Why you got a clicker on?
So I can hear it.
Some hurricane fishing going down. Wind's not too bad. Probably only about 20 miles an hour right now.
Better without it.
I was doing a pinfish that had no head, so it seemed like the perfect bait for something big. There you go, Anthony. You want
That's the clicker you're supposed to.
You want to videotape?
Oh.
Oh, you come off?
Yeah, you went around that pile.
Oh.
I think he was rubbing on it the whole time. Yeah, you would.
Oh
Had to
man.
have been a ray.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking it was. Because it was pulling back.
All right, let's put some more on there.
Yeah. So we're gonna
Let's get a
take
few out.
two.